Hey guys, in this video, we'll be installing Twrp on a Mi 11X that's touch device running Pixel experience based on Android 12 without losing any personal data. So basically, if you have installed Twrp before or if you are going to install it using the usual way, you will have to format your data in order for Twrp to work correctly. With this method, you won't lose any data. Also, we'll root our phone too. And rooting has been a lot easier than the past few years. Anyways, for that, we have to go to the PC. So this is my PC. Let's just go to Chrome. So the first thing you have to do is go to Google, type in platform tools. Go in the first link and download the platform tools zip for your specific operating system. Mine is Windows, so I have downloaded the Windows one. If yours is Mac or Linux, download the respective folder. The second thing is Twrp. Now what normally users do is go to twrp.me and install Twrp of their respective device. This is a different way. You have to go to dl.akr-developers.com. I'll post a link of the site in the description below. Now what you have to do is go to SKK, go to Twrp, under 12, A12. Okay, what's this? Let's just close it up. Okay, just go to the latest one and download it for your device. Ours is the Redmi K40 or the Mi 11X, also known as the POCO F3. It's a 192 megabyte file, so just download it. The third thing you have to do is download Magisk. Now to do that, just go to Google. Let's just go to Google. GSM Arena. This happens every time. Oh god. Okay, we are on Google. Just type in Magisk, Magis, Magisk, and go to the first link. It is a GitHub page. You will land directly on the releases page. Download the latest APK file. Nowadays, APK can be installed via Twrp, so that's cool. After all that is done, extract the platform tools folder and copy these two files, Twrp and Magisk, onto that folder. I have already done that. As you can see, this is Twrp and that is Magisk. I have an older version, the new version also works. Anyways, the next thing you have to do is boot your phone into Fastboot mode. To do that, just go to your phone, power off the device, and then you have to go to Fastboot mode. To do that, just hold the power down and volume down at the same time. As you can see, we got a Fastboot logo, so there's that. Now the next thing you have to do is connect your phone to your PC. So I'll be using the default cable that I got in the box. And connect the other end to your PC onto the PC now. On the same folder, on the address bar, type cmd. Now we'll type Fastboot devices to check that our device is connected to our PC. As you can see, we got an identifier and the word Fastboot, so our device is connected. This was just a basic step to check our device was connected to our PC. Next, you will boot into Twrp. Fastboot, boot, and Twrp. This is the image that I downloaded, so I'll boot that. Just hit enter, and in a few seconds, Twrp will boot. If you can check the phone, it is now booting into Twrp. So it has booted into Twrp. Now, if this is in Chinese, just go to settings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th one, settings, the last one, and hit English, and then set language. That's it. After you've done that, on the PC, remember we had this Magisk file? Just copy it, open new window. Let's go to this PC. So it says Redmi K40, but that's fine. And I'll paste it. See, Magisk V23. That's it. Now, Twrp is booted, but not installed. So what we'll do is go to Advanced, Flash Current Twrp. Just tap on it and swipe. Let me just reposition my phone. Yeah. In a few seconds, it will take a couple of seconds. It will be done. Let's just wait. As you can see, it is done now. Now it says if device was previously rooted, the root has been overwritten and will have to be reinstalled. So our device was not rooted. We will root our device again. Now remember we had copied Magisk on internal storage. Here it is, Magisk V23. Tap on it and swipe to install. So it's done. Let's just reboot the phone. Now just disconnect the device. That's it. It was quite fast. Okay, let's just disconnect the device. As you can see, Magisk will be present right here. Tap on it. It says upgrade to a full version of Magisk. Okay. Settings. Allow. Update. That's it. Magisk is installed. And if you can see, all my previous data is there too. It's not deleted. So that's pretty cool. I have TWRP. I have root. I have not formatted my device. Pretty cool, right? So that was easy. This is how you install TWRP and root your phone without losing any data. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, comment for any queries, and since you're commenting, hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos that I post. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.